So this is early morning. This is 6 in the morning. So this is the first train out of Granada. So we're catching an early train to Madrid today. So 6 o'clock train. We're just getting to the station now. I'm Clifford the pilot, a class rated instructor. This isn't a flight school. This is flying around Europe. You can see the people queuing up, waiting for the doors to open. So it opens about 20 minutes before the first train. Our train's at 9 minutes past 6. And in Spain, what you have to do is you have to go through a little security to get onto these high-speed trains. So this is the security. You need to put your bag through the scanner. It only takes a few minutes, and then you get your ticket checked. The Spanish trains are very spacious, very clean, and they're also not very expensive to travel with either. This journey's 3.5 hours. There is a buffet car on this morning train, but it's 6 in the morning, so I'm just going to do some work and probably go to sleep for most of the trip. See the sun rising now as we're getting into Madrid. So this is Atocha, which is one of the main hubs for the trains in Madrid. So we've arrived in Madrid. Just going to go and meet up with Matt now. So I'm meeting up with Matty, who's our head of engineering for the Elixir aircraft. He's waiting for me as I get off the train. Now we're catching a train to the station that's close to Ocaña. On this train we have to do a change, so it's a couple of minutes outside Ocaña, and then we have to change and get on another train. The train's very clean and very cheap for travelling. We have to change trains here for the rest of our journey, down to the station that's closest to Ocaña. We have a little bit of a wait here, but not long. We've arrived at the station Aranjuez, which I think is how you pronounce it, which is the closest station to Ocaña. We get picked up by a car at the station, then taken to the airfield. This is the golf buggy that we've got on site, taking us from the hotel to the hangars. This is our Ocaña site, so we're passing the cockpit of the plane where we've got a simulator. The hotel behind it's getting developed.
Es que mira cómo voy.
Claro, no vaya a hacer que diga por ahí.
Ay. Después vamos a hacer una...
And there's a swimming pool and everything there.
Bueno.
Aquí los jefes esta mañana.
Sí, lo sé.
There's an old firefighting aircraft that's grounded here in state of disrepair. Also got enough runway and space for biz jets to land here. We're looking at doing maintenance on biz jets in the future. So this is our main hangar at Ocaña. This is one of the other hangars that we're just having a look around. And we're just looking around the hotel. These rooms are getting developed at the moment, and we'll have enough space for 132 plus. So these are the Elixir aircraft that we're looking at using from September onwards, and that's our Technon that's used all the time for our building. We're going to be doing a familiarisation course on the Elixir aircraft when people take them for our building. This is the Elixir cockpit, which is all glass cockpit and also has autopilot. If you're interested in doing any our building with the Elixir aircraft, just get in touch. Okay. Heading back to the hotel now. This is the hotel that we're using at the moment, and this is the hotel I stay in. This hotel's also being developed, and this is what a room looks like. So you've got a bath and a shower. And you've got a nice room and a desk to do any work you need to be done on. There's a town square where we go and have evening meals. If you're interested in flying in Europe, either our building or private flying, just give us a bell. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, a like and a hype and all the other stuff that they like you to do. Thanks for watching.